How to update Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to open Facebook Messenger and you can see that you are not getting new notifications and you are not getting new features on Facebook Messenger. Just you have to click on it and move to your Play Store here and of your phone or Android, and after opening that Play Store you have to write here Messenger or Facebook Messenger, what you want. Messenger, Facebook Messenger. You can see here this is an option and you can see there is an option that you have already have, and it means that if there will be a update option instead of open, it means your messenger requires update, and here no option of update will appear. It means your app is already updated. Thank you so much. This is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, or subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.